An old economy is gone. We are now in the new economy. I found an app where you literally get paid to chat. $1 for an hour just for being online. But here's the cheat code that nobody tells you, the agent's code. Right now, if you're a newbie, you're on a 7-day rocket ship. For 2 hours, you get 200,000 points. That is insane. The minimum withdrawal is 1 million points. That equates to $10. If you join right now using my invitation link, which is in the description section, you get a head start. Now, before I sign out, let me give you the survival kit. So here's the survival kit. Number 1, click the link in the description section as well as in the comment section. Then use the invitation code that you're seeing right now. Then most importantly, use the agent's code that is flashing on the screen right now. If you don't use the agent's code, you won't be getting the tasks. And if you don't get the tasks, there'll be no money for you. Don't be that guy who misses out. The clock starts ticking at 6 p.m. Are you in? See you on the other side of the paycheck.